Hey everyone, are you ready for another DIY? Me too. Okay, let's get started with another spring DIY. I am going to make a floral arrangement for my table. And so what I have is I have some of the green foam. This picture, again, is from Big Lots. I got it last year after Easter for $1. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to position this just about like that. I'm also going to add some lights, a string of these little lights. And then I showed you in my haul these little tulips. They were $2 a bunch at Michael's. And they've got the prettiest colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of these and put them up, and then I'm going to cut off these so I can stick them down at the bottom so you can't see the foam. So let's get alright, so now I'm going to cut it off a little bit more. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just cutting them different lengths and putting them in so there's different heights to them. And I'm also, oh, that stupid trash truck, you guys, I'm sorry. They'll be gone in a minute. It's like, Davita's filming, let's go get trash. See how I'm putting them all over in different areas? And some real low so it'll hide the foam. And I'll probably add some eggs also down in there to help hide it. All right, let's try these now. So pretty, don't you think, for $2 a bunch? I'm going to get a few more. Very, very pretty. And this tin I've had, and I'm not sure. I can't remember where I got it, to be honest. I don't remember. Okay, what do you think? I'm just randomly putting these in and sticking some eggs in here and there. Let's put this one down a little bit shorter. There's that. Okay, let's get another egg going on in there. Another one here. Let's get some of these green. Look at these green. Aren't those pretty? Really like that green. Makes it pop, doesn't it? Okay. I think I'm going to call that just about done. I'm going to see if I want to add this Easter egg in. I think I will, since this bunny's holding one. What do you think? And then just the other little ones drop down at the bottom. Okay, now let's put we'll hide him back in here, and we're just going to lay these lights down in. Can you still see? Yeah. And this is just a very little string. It's not anything, you know, major. Kind of hide that the best I can. Okay. Yeah, go to Michael's and get some of these, guys. Like I said, I'm going to put some more tulips here to hide that battery pack. I'm going to go back and get probably another bunch of each color. Let me get one of these purple eggs to put right there. That adds to it. Okay, so let's see. Let's do one more purple, because primarily the color is purple that I'm going for. Put it against the orange. Okay. So there it is. I hope you like it. I'll take my camera down so you can. Okay, so let's look here. I just have the big one just tucked away. And then you can see the lights, and at night they'll show up a little bit more. And these eggs, they look blue, but they're very, very purple. But aren't those tulips so pretty? That is my floral centerpiece for my dining room table in the formal dining room. So I hope you like it, and until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. You take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.